Libre AI has launched an online ComfyUI, and I also tested and experienced it. Here is a workflow for ultra-clear upscaling and detail enhancement with text diffusion. To use such a process, we just need to enter the workflow page and click Run Workflow Online, allowing us to directly run shared workflows without any configuration or setup of nodes. You can see that when you zoom in on the image, more details appear and the effect is excellent. If we want to switch to an SD Ultra workflow, we need to switch between two models. One is the large model, and the other is the ControlNet model. They must correspond one by one, then run the program to enlarge it. Let's look at another workflow for changing the background. Click to run the workflow online, upload our subject image, and equip a large model. I'm using Miaoju V7 here. If I want better results, I use a LoRA. If your model library doesn't have the desired LoRA, you can find one in the community and add it to your model library. Set up prompts. Some arrays have trigger words. Don't forget to include the trigger words as well. Semantic segmentation, extracting the main subject. In this coding section, I replaced the internal encoder of the VAE with two nodes. One is the VAE encoding, and the other is setting the latent space without masking. I think combining these two works better. Just like running Comfy locally, it supports online editing. Just click Generate Image, and you can get an excellent result through this automated process. Comfy is designed for complex projects with high uptime, capable of integrating cumbersome operation processes into seamless workflows. When using others' workflows, it becomes much easier. Users can save their workflow and access it anytime, greatly improving efficiency. Navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the introduction to register and get 120 gigabytes. Log in every day to receive 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.